What's up? Welcome back. We're over here at Central Tires in the city of Inglewood. And yes, as you guys saw, we're getting everything done. Rough country kit, wheels and tires. Jeez, go ahead and check these fools out. They are on the corner of Inglewood right here, and then Roasters in that little corner over there. So go ahead and check them out, because taking care of the truck, they've done a lot of off-road builds. So you can see all of that is all mud terrain tires, all terrain tires. Crazy. Here it is out of the shop, looking shiny as hell. So this is actually 2 days after picking up the truck from the shop, because when I went to pick it up, I didn't have my camera, so I was trying to shoot with the iPhone and it wasn't working out. But yeah, so literally 2 days ago they did the lift kit, the tires, wheels, all that shenanigans, and then my boy Carlos from Los Details 310 came and did the ceramic coating on it, so that's why it looks super shiny. Looks really good. Check this angle out though. Bam! That looks so good. Super stoked on that fit, man. Look how this is what I was envisioning. Just a slight poke from the wheels and tires. Check that out. That looks really nice. Not too exaggerated, you know, at least in my opinion. Look how chunky this is. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and put the specs down below in the bio. Oh, actually, check that out. My dad actually has the first gen Colorado, which is crazy to see the differences between the first gen and the third gen. Huge upgrade. But yeah, there it is, guys. Also, cool thing that I'm doing this a couple days after the install, just to give you like a quick little recap. After installing the kit, the ride is a little bit stiffer. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be a bouncing all over the place, so it's gonna be the smoothest ride, because it just got just a little bit stiffer, nothing too crazy, and some road noise, which I really didn't mind, because I knew I was gonna get some road noise with these knobby ass tires. So yeah, you are gonna experience some of that for sure. 100% no rub at all. Full lock, left, right, no rub at all. So yeah, that's where we're at. And then, like I mentioned, we are taking a trip up to Utah. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it handles on the road, on the highway, for quite a while. We're in California, so from California to Utah, it's about a 6.5 hour drive. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. And then also, I know I'm always pointing out to the Drive Safe sticker right here. I am working on a little collab with one of my homies that does t-shirt printing, so we're gonna go ahead and get some shirts made for all the Drive Safe out there. Thanks again, guys, once again, for following the channel, checking out the truck, checking out the progress. Any questions, like I said, go ahead and feel free to DM me. Follow both of my pages, Osmar and the Drive Safe, right? Thanks, guys. Have a good one.